Hi, this is Carrie from Mudbutt Cloth Diapers, and I just wanted to make a little video. I was inspired by another work-at-home mom who made a video of her workspace and where all of those items get made. And so I thought you might want to know where your cloth diapers and wipes are being made. Kind of like Mr. Rogers back in the 70s when he took us to the crayon factory. Kind of cool to see how crayons were made, so maybe this will be exciting for you to see where your diapers are being made. So we're going to start right here in the factory itself. First of all, just take a little pan here. This is the factory. Not very big, but better than a kitchen table, what it used to be. So here we go. From start to finish, you order a diaper, and I get that little email right here on this handy computer. And we pick out the fabrics. There they are, the solids, and some prints, unless we already have it cut out. And then, don't want to make you dizzy here, then I just kind of go over to my board over here and pick out the cut that's already cut. And there's the PUL again. Actually, maybe I'll just go through what I have here. So, I've got some diapers that are just waiting to be sent to a customer for the other ones to get done, and a Happy Green Life that I have in stock, ready for local customers. And here is my little helper, McKenna. Say hi, McKenna.
Hi.
How are you today?
Hi, Mom.
Hi. How old are you?
7.
Huh?
7.
7. Really? Wow. You are incredibly compact for 7 years old. I think she meant 3. She just turned 3. And she is also a Mudbutt cloth diaper wearer right now. However, she does have Cutie Poops on right now. Bubblegum Cutie Poops. So anyway, we're just touring the factory here, Kenna. So anyway, we've got Happy Green Life, you are McKenna, and we've got UB bags down there, all kinds of exciting stuff. Oh, and we can't forget some dryer balls, Bouncing Willie's dryer balls, hiding under there. And then we've got all of our snaps. I like rainbows, so I set them up in rainbow order. So they're all ready to go and be snapped onto diapers and thread and machine. This is Winnie. This is my sewing machine, my main sewing machine that I use. It's a Bernina from the year I was born, 1973. And it was actually my grandma's, and she gave it to me, and her name was Winnie. She sewed all of my clothes, but not all, but a lot of my clothes when I was little, and so I thought that would be kind of a nice thing to do and name her after my grandma. And then this is the Winnie's younger sister, more portable sister, Winnie number 2. She's not actually named, but maybe I'll name her that. My snap press, and then when it goes on to shipping, here's my shipping department, mailing department, lovely. Got another cabinet over here that has all of my wipes and tape and all kinds of things, lots of wipes, wipe materials and elastics and touch tape. And then way down there in the bottom is all of my personal sewing projects that never get completed because I'm making diapers constantly. There's fun little outfits for my daughter and all kinds of other things that might get made someday.
I'm McKenna.
You are McKenna. And this is our child care center. It's a 24-hour child care center available to all Mudbutt employees, which is me. Oh, and there's our cutie poops sticking out right there. Hi. Oh, isn't that cute? Anyway, so here we go. This is our child care facility. So that is Mudbutt Central. Oh, and I forgot my cutting table, which is incredibly clean right now, and a bunch of lining fabric right there, my OBV, and a big roll of micro chamois. So that is it. That's where your diapers come from. So thanks for taking the tour today. Bye-bye.